Okay. So paralegal is somebody who's not a lawyer. You are not a licensed attorney, but you are doing, you're helping other lawyers. You cannot directly work with clients. Okay. Usually that is not allowed. You have to be a licensed lawyer to practice, especially in the US. They're extremely very protective about the turf of lawyers, that paralegals are not actually doing client service. So you're not supposed to do that. You're not clients directly, especially on US law, right? But you work with a licensed attorney as a paralegal. That is absolutely within your rights. Many people think that being a paralegal is beneath their standards, right? Why should I be a paralegal? What the hell? Like, I want, it's like, मेरा कुछ standard भी है. It's just clerical work. Why should I, do just lawyer? I'm studying law so that I can be a hotshot lawyer, not a paralegal, right? This is what people say when when I actually want to be a paralegal, earn a lot of money. So most of you, I understand that you study law, or you don't think that you want to be a paralegal, right? Nobody has an ambition that paralegals are like people who are helping lawyers. So why should I become a paralegal, right? So to work abroad, and you want to work in US or in some other country, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, in some other countries, but you want to be like Harvey Specter, not a paper pusher in a remote job. Especially when I'm saying that sitting in India, you can do this work. You're thinking that I don't want to sit here and do this. I want to actually go there, right? You need to think that this is an opportunity which can open many doors for me. It is not just one thing, but it will open many doors for me. And do not look at only, think of something called second order benefits. Second order benefit is when doing that internship or whatever you have done, that opens up new opportunities for you that was not possible. You were, if you are, let's say, paralegal to a very lawyer, then you are getting to see a lot of cases. Maybe you are getting introduced to a lot of people in the process of your job. Like